Hello and welcome back to Investing Guide. Cardano, like other cryptocurrencies, has carved its niche with the aim to solve problems. Its recent big move, which saw the launch of testnet to move even closer to smart contracts, according to some, could see value rise dramatically if many businesses take the coin on board in their payment process. Today we're going to be talking about Cardano's recent big move. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss out on finding out if the coin's big move has the potential to make the price 20x. Without further ado, let's get into it. Since the beginning of 2021, Cardano has experienced immense and rapid growth in price, which has placed it on the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world at the moment by market cap. This, of course, is coupled with the fact that it's got lots of investors. Now, according to analysis, Cardano is expected by some to hit the 20x mark in the coming years, previously hitting the 10x mark in the early stages of the start of the year. To better understand why Cardano's price has increased rapidly since its launch in 2017, we need to look through its performance since its inception into the crypto space. Cardano traded roughly 10 cents until early 2021. Despite some volatility, Cardano's rise began in February 2021, when Cardano skyrocketed from 34 cents to 95 cents in less than 2 weeks. But the Cardano team has not stopped developing the coin to make it more of a utility for business use. And then, it crossed the $1 mark in February, having traded at a $2 level earlier in the year. However, it recently suffered a significant drop, and it is recently trading at $1.48. And the big question arises, does this mean that Cardano has the potential to 20x during this current market cycle? Will an investment in the coin now probably be worth it? Well, a certain percentage of people believe that Cardano is overhyped, since everyone is out looking for the next big way to become a millionaire. Nonetheless, Cardano's increase in price might not be a resultant of the hype. According to researchers, the fact that Cardano has had a huge emergence of decentralized finance and the prospects in DeFi are the most salient reasons why Cardano might be a million market investment. They say as more investors and businesses seek DeFi solutions, more financial institutions attempt to integrate cryptocurrencies into the system. In addition, DeFi platforms like Cardano have experienced very high demand. According to experts, this is yet another factor amongst many others that could make Cardano a million market investment. Cardano, like all other cryptocurrencies, is a blockchain platform that supports systems and applications. Nevertheless, it's still in its fetal stages because Cardano can grant access to any digital identity to unbanned people all around the world. Since it is a decentralized cryptocurrency, Cardano has already begun initiatives in several parts of the world to provide unbanned people with financial access. For instance, in Africa now, without a bank account, 1.7 billion people are unable to take part in the global economy. So the Cardano protocol announced a cooperation with the utility government earlier this year to use blockchain technology to promote education. And anyone with an internet connection may buy and trade cryptocurrency, and that is all that is required to have access to Cardano. Sources infer that one can now avoid a dysfunctionally flat system if one's country's currency is corrupt and/or undergoing rapid inflation. Not only that, but they also state that they are highly anticipating the launch of smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain. As a really big catalyst, smart contracts are scheduled to launch in August on Cardano. A big move by Cardano in recent times has been the network's successful hard fork of the Alonzo Blue testnet to the Alonzo White node. Analysts say that the aim of this upgrade is to increase participation. However, it doesn't just end there. They say it also serves as a support system for Cardano-based smart contracts. IOHK tweeted on Wednesday, the 14th of July 2021, hard fork successful. Delighted to report at around 7:44 UTC today, we were successfully able to fork the Alonzo testnet to the new Alonzo White node, a new network, and onboarded our new intake ready to help us move closer to smart contracts. Now the next stage of the journey begins. This means that Cardano has been able to upgrade the Alonzo testnet in its network to Alonzo White node, so this will render previously invalid blocks and transactions valid, adding more blocks to the network. The senior product manager of IOHK, Dor Garbash, stated that the testnet presently has 314 developers, 132 entrepreneurs, and 6 decentralized applications on the network. Sources say that this is great news, especially considering the fact that the testnet is still under development. Having that many number of developers and entrepreneurs for a new startup is quite impressive, not to mention already having 6 decentralized apps on the network. The decentralized apps using Cardano's network will run in an open source, thereby ensuring freedom from control and any interference from single authorities. Also, Cardano has made mention that the launch of the main net will take place in multiple phases, and each phase will be identified by a color. The current phase, Alonzo Blue, will be succeeded by Alonzo White, and then finally Alonzo Purple. IOHK also mentioned that it had already begun onboarding a small select group of SPOs and #Plutus pioneers to help lay the foundations. According to what analysts have been saying, Alonzo is a hard fork that will introduce new features to the Cardano network. It plans to do so using an integration of Plutus scripts, which means that smart contracts can be enabled on the Cardano network. They also say that this development will eventually lead to the development of new decentralized applications, including decentralized finance, DeFi. Although they say that this recent development is bound to take more than a few months to fully materialize, the plan still remains to bring more users in after more testnet functionalities and features have been fully integrated. IOHK also mentioned that more details on the progress will be reviewed in the near future. Following the information we've been able to gather from our research, Cardano has been doing well since early 2021, especially with many new investors wanting to buy the coin. ADA is presently trading at $1.52, which is currently up to 2,316% from its 52-week low now. Some analysts also expect that this new feature will make Cardano a popular platform for DeFi. Furthermore, according to Charles Hawkinson, they have 100 projects ready to go and start working on the Cardano blockchain, hence the inference that Cardano is still in its fetal stage. Owing to this, experts and enthusiasts strongly believe that the price of the Cardano can indeed increase to 20x. To get to the actual breakdown of how much money is to be invested, it is paramount to understand Cardano's position in the crypto space. As established earlier, Cardano is currently the 5th most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, with a market cap value of $47 billion. Financial advisors say you would have bought $84,000 worth of Cardano last year to become a millionaire today, as you would have gotten a total of just over $1 million. Also, experts implore investors to invest only in what they can afford, and get to the point where they don't have to pay attention to every price change, as that would only mean that they would be putting more money into it. When looking towards establishing a position on Cardano, analysts advise that it's a good idea to look at the fluctuations of prices and strategize when the ideal time might be. Also, they strongly assert that the 20x price increase is possible as Cardano is growing at a gradual and continuous rate, coupled with the fact that they have not had any user cases yet. In a sense, they are saying that whether one buys today, they should hold off for a few years if they can truly appreciate their investment, deliver something meaningful. However, the fact that Cardano is easily accessible is not a ticket to investing one's life savings into it. It is emphasized in analysis and advisors' expositions, never invest what you cannot afford to lose. Cardano is tantamount to a 2.0 improved version of Ethereum. It was established to check and solve all the problems and inadequacies that Ethereum is contending with. Cardano also adopted the delayed move, so they can make changes to the coin whilst it is still in circulation. This, in turn, has helped them in avoiding many pitfalls in the crypto market, unlike Ethereum. They're also believed to have experts and specialists who review every project and assess the strengths and weaknesses of the project, check for pitfalls and ways to avoid them. In that way, when they launch projects, they don't have to worry about the project having glitches or troubles. According to sources, in 2020, Cardano improved their system to a point where their blockchain became 52,000 times more decentralized than what they were before. This makes other cryptocurrencies even more reluctant to use their network and run their apps on it, because it makes it safer for them and their customers. And as far as investment opportunities go, Cardano is one of the most promising cryptocurrencies currently owing to Ethereum's high price and its lack of upside potentials. Coupled with the level of Cardano's growth and its potential to outrun Bitcoin, Experts strongly believe that Cardano is the cryptocurrency that will supersede other cryptocurrencies already in existence in a matter of 5 to 10 years. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.